Hello everyone. Good morning. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope all of you are safe at home. So, today we are going to start the next chapter of our syllabus, that is subtraction. Already we have finished two chapters. Those are numbers and addition. Now today I am going to start the third chapter of our syllabus, that is subtraction. I know most of you have learnt to do the subtractions in the previous class, but today I am going to revise it once more. Those who have the book with you, please turn to page number 35. Those who have the book with you, please turn to page number 35. And those who don't have the book, please take a notebook with you so that while I am going to teach you the sums, you people can do it along with me. Right? Don't get panicked. I am going to send the snapshots of the pages in the homework option of the app. You can see it from there. Clear? And those who have the book with you, please turn to page number 35. So let's start. See, page number 35, subtraction. Looking back. Number 1, subtract. 86 minus 35. 86 minus 35. So here we will write, the space is already given. Right, 86. That means 6 is in the ones place and 8 is in the tens place. Next, minus sign 35. 5 in the ones place, 3 in the tens place. See, now we are going to subtract. Very easy. 6 is bigger than 5. 6 is bigger than 5. So 6 minus 5. After 5, we are going to count till 6. After 5, 1. After 5, 6. So 1. We will write 1. See. Next, 8 minus 3. 8 is bigger than 3. So after 3, we are going to count till 8. After 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 5. Next. 56 minus 22. 56. 6 in the ones place, 5 in the tens place. Minus 22. 2 tens place, 2 ones place. So, 6 is greater than 2. 6 minus 2. After 2, we are going to count till 6. After 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So here we are going to write 4. Next, 5 minus 2. 5 is bigger than 2. That means after 2 we will start counting till 5. After 2, 3, 4, 5. That means 3. Next, 74 minus 44. 74 minus 44. 4 minus 4, very easy, all of you know. 0. 7 minus 4, 7 is bigger than 4. So after 4, we are going to start counting till 7. That means after 4, 5, 6, 7, 3. 30 will be the answer. Next. This is a bit different. Borrowing is there. See, 32 minus 17. So 32 minus 17, 1, 7. Now 2 is less than 7. So we cannot subtract. So what will we do? In spite of 2, we will write, in place of 2, we will write 12. 12 is bigger than 7. So after 7, we will start counting after 7. 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 5. We will write 5. Now this extra 1, we will add it with this 1. See properly. 1 plus 1, 2. Here you are going to write 2. Now 3 minus 2. That means 3 is bigger than 2. After 2, 3. 1. 15 will be the answer. If you are doing the subtraction in any other process also, in any other method also, no problem. In whichever way you are comfortable with, you can do it. Right? There is no hard and fast rule that you have to do the subtraction in the method I have shown you just now. Right? No. In whatever method, in whichever method you are comfortable, you can do that. Always. Okay? Next. Number 2. Fill in the blanks. 23 minus 0. Very easy. 23. Now see this one. 36 minus how much will be 36? Obviously 0. Next one. Dash minus 0 equal to 16. 16 minus 0 will be 16. Right. Next, number 3. What will you be left with? What will you be left with? If you have 16 flowers and you give none to your friend, see, you are having 16 flowers with you and you did not give the flowers one also, not even one also, you gave to your friend. Means you gave none, means no flowers to your friend. That means 16 minus 0, it will be 16. Next, B. If you find rupees 20 and give rupees 0 to your sister, you are having rupees 20 and you are giving rupees 0 to your sister. How much will you get? How much will be there with you? How much you will be left with? Rupees 20 minus 0 equal to rupees. In both the way you can write rupees 20. 20 minus 0, 20. Next. 120 glasses of water were kept on a table. That means how many glasses of water were there on the table? 120 glasses. It was a hot day. The day was very hot. And 86 people picked up a glass each to drink water. That means from 120 glasses of water were kept on the table and from there 86 people picked up the glasses. That means 120 minus 86. Very easy. That many number of glasses you will be left with. So glasses kept on the table 120, 120. Glasses picked up by the people 86. Now you are going to just subtract, you will get glasses left. 120 minus 86 will give you 34. Again borrowing, see. You will be left with 34 glasses. 34 glasses are left. This will be your 34 will be your answer. Now see the next page. See, page number 36, exercise 3A. Page number 36, exercise 3A. Subtract the following. 787 minus 437. 7 minus 7, 0. 8 minus 3, 5. 7 minus 4, 3. 648 minus 235. 8 minus 5, 3. 4 minus 3, 1. 6 minus 2, 4. Very easy. In this way you are going to do all the subtraction. See till here. H. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H. I have already done it. I am going to send the snapshots. But you people also do it. Please don't do anything in the book. Okay. Those who have got the book with you. You people can do it in the book. And those who don't have the books with you, please do it in a notebook. Don't use the notebooks which you have bought from the school. No. Please don't use those notebooks which you have bought from the school. Write it in your home notebooks. Means whichever notebooks you use at home. Not at school. Mind it. Clear? Next. See. Number 2. Arrange the numbers in columns and find the difference. Clear? See. These subtractions you cannot do it here. So that's the reason you will do it in the notebook. Okay. Number 3. You will not do put across like this. Put across number 3, A and B, we will not do. You will just put across. We are not going to do this. Till here. Till here. See, till here. So now, please practice subtractions at home. Okay. Those who have done with me already, okay, fine. You can practice it again. Those who haven't done, please do it in your home notebooks. And next thing is, what I want to say is that it's going a one-way traffic, right? So I am not getting any feedback from you people. So if you want, you can write in the comment section here. Okay, it will be open for you people. If you have understood the chapter, then also you can write. And if you haven't, then also please write and let me know your doubts and queries regarding the chapters. Okay, and don't forget to subscribe the channel. And this is for the parents. If you have any doubts and queries, you can contact with me through the parent communication option in the app. Okay, and another thing is, those who haven't got the book, I'm going to send the snapshots of the pages which I have done today. Okay, we are going to meet in the and one more thing also. Please, children, I'm requesting all of you, please learn the tables. Don't forget to learn the tables till I think till 5 I have sent. I have to see it again. 4, 5, 6, whatever it may be. Please learn the tables till there. And in the way I have told you to learn. Means not 4 into 4 ones are 4 twos are 4 threes are. If it is the table of 4, then you have to learn it like this. 0 into 4. 1 into 4, 2 into 4, 3 into 4, 4 into 4, 5 into 4 till 25 into 4. In this way, you have to learn the tables. So no more for today. We are going to meet in the next class again. Till then, stay safe at home and enjoy learning. Thank you.